Good morning. Prime Minister Modi, it is a pleasure to welcome you to Chequers. This is a historic day, a landmark moment for both of our countries. The UK-India deal is now signed, sealed, and ready to be delivered. So it's a real pleasure to welcome you. Raising living standards, putting more money in the pockets of working people to wages, and hundreds of millions of pounds to regions and nations up and down the United Kingdom.
It is our commitment that from AI to critical minerals, semiconductors to cyber security, we shall create the future together. बढ़ेगा, साथ ही यूके की अर्थव्यवस्था को Thank you. Thank you.
Do that formally.